Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the beautiful Novell, Turtle Creek. I think you're gonna love this. So we're just gonna walk through. That's the main entrance over there. The very extensive, beautiful valet area is right there. So just love seeing that. And then, man, you just got, it's a hotel, like a 5-star hotel, kind of like atmosphere here. It was just a wonderful staff. They were always so helpful and so kind. And just look at this. I can hear some, by the way, you can kind of hear some gentle music playing. Look at this gorgeous chandelier that's here. This is just a standout. This is not just a lobby. It's very carefully crafted. It's just beautiful. So it's just a joy kind of seeing this. And you got kind of people coming in. It's a very, very dog-friendly area, by the way. And I'm gonna walk here just so you can see a little bit more. This is the first floor, super pretty. Now the amenities are on the 5th floor. We've got a separate video for that. But just walking through so you can see a little bit more of the Novell. And then here's the elevators, and that kind of gets you to, to all the goodies, if you would. All right, so that's the beautiful Novell. Hope you've enjoyed it, and let's go see the amenities and some beautiful apartments.